A long time ago, on Wemale Seram Island, lived a princess, and her name was Hanuele. She lived with her father, Ameta. In the local language, she was called Mulua, which means a beautiful princess. Hanuele was different from other princesses. In fact, she was not an ordinary human. Beside her beauty, which no one could compare, she had the power to use magic.
Dorcas, look at me. I will turn this man's face into a dog. Wow, you just did it. Your magic is so amazing.
Only using a bundle of mud, Hanuele could change it into a treasure and other valuable stuff like fancy porcelain plates from China.
Mulua, that will sell these things that you make using your magic.
Okay, Dad, just sell it.
Her father used that treasure and sold it to people back then until he became a rich man. The story of Hanuele spread throughout Seram Island. Many people loved Hanuele and also hate her because of her power.
Hey, do you know Mulua? Mulua? Ameta's daughters, right? Yes, now they become a rich man. Really? Let it be. It is a blessing to them.
Do you know, dear? There was a girl named Mulua. She and her father suddenly became rich because of her magic power.
Mulua? The little witch? Ha ha ha! Just see later. They will be destroyed by the magic power they have.
One day, a Tarimaro party was held in Tamene Siwa. That party was thrown by 9 families and was planned to be held over 9 days. Tarimaro itself is a big festival where people from the 9 families dance over 9 days and 9 nights. Dancers would form 9 massive circles, where girls sit in the middle of that circle should give siripinang to every boy dancers. Hanuele is a beautiful princess, also got invited by the 9 families. When Hanuele arrived, she then became the center of the attention.
Mulua, please use your magic to give us something value here. Just dancing. Enjoy this party first. After this, I will give it to you.
When the party was started, suddenly, she already standing in the middle of the circle, give dancers siripinang. On the next night, when Tarimaro staged, Hanuele sat in the middle of dancers and shared porcelain plates called Hana for all the people that attended the party. On the 4th day, Hanuele gave porcelain plates that were bigger called Kinabatu.
Simsalabim! Rivestone becomes gems. Mulua, give it to me, please. I also want that, Mulua. Please give it to me.
The next day, the 5th day, Hanuele gave them big machades. On the 6th day, she gave them all beautiful boxes made of copper. And on the 7th day, she gave them gold. And then, come the 8th day, Hanuele still gave them gongs. Everything that she gave to people made them happy, but some people were jealous of her and want to kill her.
Did you see that? Mulua is arrogant with her magic.
Well, I guess she was too exaggerate. I hate her.
Let's make a plan to kill her.
So, on a ninth day, some of them were planning to kill her. On a ninth day, the party was even more crowded, since it was the last day of the Tarimaro party. When Hanuele was about to enter the center of the circle, the people that want to kill her had already dug a hole in the center. The group of dancers that dug the hole was from the Leisela family. When Hanuele was dancing, suddenly she was pushed into the hole. And then they started to sing louder to shout out Hanuele's scream for help.
Come on, quickly cover that hole before we get caught.
Please help me! Help me!
Let's sing louder. Cover her voice so no one can hear her scream.
When the party was over, Hanuele never came back. Her father, Ameta, with his power, found out that Hanuele was killed at that party.
Oh, my daughter has been killed. I can stand like this.
Ameta took 9 Batang Lidi and headed to the place his daughter was killed. When he arrived, Batang Lidi suddenly plugged into the hole Hanuele had fallen into. When those 9 Batang Lidi were plugged, blood and hair of Hanuele came out from that hole.
Oh, Mulua, my poor daughter. Why this happening to you? For all this heinous since dance, I cursed the dancer of the Leisela family.
Ameta then cursed what the dancer have done, and he made the big gate in Tamene Siwa. On that big gate, there is a motif of 9 circles and people that dance Tarimaro. Ameta digs the hole and found his daughter's dead body and cut it into parts and spread her body to many places except her hands.
I should divide my poorly Mulua's body into all the places in this island, except her hands. I will give her hands to Muluna Satene.
Ameta came home and took her daughter's hands to a woman named Muluna Satene that has power. Muluna Satene then listened to Ameta's story and flew to the top of the gate that Ameta built for his daughter. With Hanuele's hands, she told all the people under her authority to come and gather in front of the gate and start to separate into 2 groups. She told them,
Whoever passes through this left gate must jump over 5 serpent bamboos and will live for 50 years in this world. Whoever passes this right gate must jump over 9 serpent bamboos and will live for 90 years in this world. Patasiwa, Patalima, I separate you.
and from that finally formed 2 groups of society, such as Patasiwa, group of 9, and Patalima, group of 5.